Ever wondered how Azure Networking works, how it connects your cloud resources seamlessly? Today we're going to unravel the mystery underlying this cloud networking powerhouse. First things first, let's discuss what Azure Networking is. Essentially, it's a platform that allows you to connect, protect, and monitor your cloud resources. You can create your own private networks, control network traffic, and even implement multi-layered security measures. Now, how do you set up a basic network in Azure? It's simpler than you might think. The first step is to create a virtual network, or VNet. Think of this as your own slice of Azure's network space. This is where you'll connect your Azure services, like virtual machines. Once you have a VNet, the next step is to understand subnets. A subnet is a range within your VNet. You can have multiple subnets within a single VNet, each serving a different purpose. For instance, one subnet might host your web servers, while another could be dedicated to your databases. Now on to IP addressing. Every resource in your VNet needs an IP address. This is how resources communicate with each other and the outside world. Azure automatically assigns these IP addresses, but you can also choose to manage them yourself if you prefer. The final piece of the puzzle is network security groups, or NSGs. These are the gatekeepers of your network, controlling inbound and outbound traffic. You can set up rules to allow or deny traffic based on factors like IP address, port, and protocol. So, to summarize, Azure Networking allows you to create your own private networks in the cloud, connect Azure services to these networks, and implement security measures to protect your resources. You start by creating a VNet, then break it down into subnets. Each resource in your VNet gets an IP address, and you control network traffic with NSGs. Remember, this is just scratching the surface of what Azure Networking can do. We've covered the basics, but there's so much more to explore. Dive in, experiment with different configurations, and see what Azure Networking can do for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Azure tutorials. Until next time, happy networking.